Okay, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now, as you all know, we are doing the fourth poem, that is Gecko, right? And in my previous videos, I had explained you the poem. Then we had an I understand section also. Then we had also completed the think and reflect section of your textbook, and I feel section also we had completed. So today we are going to continue with the next exercises in the textbook, that is I observe section, that is the I observe part and the I extend part. Okay, it is very simple and you will really enjoy doing it. So are you ready for the next exercises? Okay, very good. So let's start with the exercises. Okay students, as you all know, we are doing the 8th part of the poem. That means this is the 8th video of this poem. Now let's start with the exercises of the textbook. Okay students, so a listening comprehension activity is given for the I observe section. This is given in all the lessons. So for that I will be reading a passage, I will be reading a paragraph, and you have to listen to it, and then you have to answer the questions that are given in the I observe section. Okay students, so listen carefully whatever I am speaking, and then on the basis of that you will have to answer the questions. So let's start with the listening comprehension passage. Okay. Chameleons belong to the lizard family. There are 202 species of chameleons and they come in a range of colors. Means the chameleons come in a range of colors, means they come in all different colors. Many species of chameleons can change their color and skin patterns depending on their environment. So they can change their skin color and even they can change the design on their skin, okay, pattern on their skin depending on the environment. Okay, it depends on where they are staying. Okay, they can change into combinations of bright pink, blue, red, orange, green, black, brown, light blue, yellow and purple. So they can change themselves into so many different kinds of colors. Okay, chameleons can change their skin colors because they have different colored pigments under their thin skin. So you must be wondering how the chameleons can change its color. How can they change the color of their body? The reason is that under their skin they have all the different colors, all the different pigments. Okay, that is why they can change their colors, because under their skin they have different colored pigments. All the colors, almost they have all the different colors, pigments under their skin. So that is why they can change their colors very easily. This process of changing color is called camouflage. So you know what is this process called? When the chameleons change the skin color, that is called camouflage. This process is called camouflage. Camouflaging helps the chameleon to find their prey easily without being noticed. So you know, when the chameleon wants to eat any insect, then if it goes directly, then the insect will see the chameleon and run away. So you know what it does? It will change its color and it will hide. The prey will not come to know. Okay, the insect which the chameleon is going to eat, it will not come to know that there is a chameleon, because it cannot be seen. If it is on the grass, it will become green color. If it is in the mud, it will become brown color. If it is in the rocks, it will become gray color. So it will change its color. If it is on the tree, it may become brown color like the wood of the tree. So then it goes slowly and it will eat the insect. It will eat its prey. Okay. So in this way the chameleon changes its color to kill other insects. Understood? And it will not get noticed also. Nobody can notice it. It also protects the animal from being noticed by predators. Okay. So when any other predator is also going to come to eat the chameleon, then also it will change its color. So no predator will notice it. No predator will come to know that a chameleon is there, because it has changed its color and they cannot see it. Understood? Did you know that the smallest reptile is thought to be the mini chameleon? from Madagascar, which only grows to just over an inch in length. You know now the smallest reptile, you know which is the smallest reptile? It is called a mini chameleon. Means it is a very small type of chameleon, and this chameleon, you know where it is found? It is found in Madagascar. Madagascar is the name of a place. Okay, it is a name of a place. So it is found in Madagascar, and you know what is the size of it? It is only an inch. Inch means it is only this much. So small chameleon. So that is called, it is thought to be the smallest reptile. It is thought to be the smallest reptile. So that is called a mini chameleon, and it is found in Madagascar. Okay, so this was your paragraph, what I wanted to read it. So now you have to listen to it carefully. You may listen to it again and again, and then you have to answer the questions what I have what are given in the I observe section. Understood? Okay students, so this is the I observe section of your textbook, and it is given on page number 32C. Now what you have to do is listen to this interesting passage about a chameleon. So this is a chameleon. You all must have seen a chameleon sometimes, okay, around your houses. So this is called a chameleon. Now you have to listen to the interesting passage about a chameleon, or reptile from the lizard family. So it is also from the lizard family, okay, like the gecko. Gecko is also from a lizard family. Lizard family means there are different kinds of lizard. So this is chameleon, it is also a kind of lizard. Then the gecko is also a kind of lizard. So there are many different kinds of lizard found in different places. So now you have to listen to the passage. So I will be reading a passage to you, and then you have to answer these questions what are given. Okay, so I will be reading a passage. Please listen to it carefully, okay students. Then you have to answer these questions. Understood? Now the next section is the I extend section, and this you can easily do it on your own. See students, this is a crossword puzzle. You have to try to solve it. If you cannot find, you may take the help of your elders. You can take the help of other books. Okay, this is a crossword puzzle given. It is below, it is after the I observe section. C, and the clues are given over here. On the next page the clues are given. All the across clues are given, all the down clues are given. Okay, so with the help of these clues you have to solve this puzzle. You have to solve this crossword puzzle. So I hope you will all enjoy doing this. Okay, you will enjoy doing this, and you will learn the names of many new reptiles also. And the next is the last exercise of the I extend section is you have to write the names of the reptiles. It is very easy, you all know. And if you don't know, you can take the help of the internet. Okay, you can find these names on the internet also. So this also you have to do it on your own. You have to write the names of the reptiles given. Okay students? Okay students, so I hope you have understood the I observe section and I extend section. You have to do it on your own. Okay, you have to do it on your own. You have to write it on your own. So I have already explained you how to do it. So please do it, and do it on your own, and then you will get a clear idea. Okay students, so thank you for watching the video, and have a nice day.